All right, it's Jay today.
And Gwen tomorrow.
And we're back with another adventure. So currently it is July 18th. I don't even know what day of the week it is.
Thursday.
Oh, it's a Thursday. Kind of been out for a week now, out enjoying and shooting video. So again, July 18th, it is currently 8:20. It is 71 degrees in the beautiful Keystone, South Dakota. And we're gonna make our way over to Mount Rushmore. So this should be an interesting trip, some interesting views, and we figure we'd bring you guys along. Yeah, look at that sprocket guy.
Sprockets.
We think it's an arcade. Well, there's obviously an arcade here. But yeah, pretty cool. Mr. Sprocket guy. He's a sprocket man. So yeah, we're about 7 minutes or 2.4 miles from it. We actually passed the driveway going up there. At least I think we did. So they have some Jeep Safaris too. We gotta go. We get to go, yeah. Looks like they have a train too right here. Yeah. We'll have to do that one of these days to see what it's like. It'd be kind of cool. This is totally different compared to last night. Holy cow. Like night and day. Last night it was packed through here.
Nobody's awake yet.
And I imagine during Sturgis it's even way worse. That guy's got the right of way.
You're also in the middle of 2 lanes.
He's just, I don't like. So I wanted to make a stop over here real quick, just for a brief photo op, because we've heard Bigfoot hangs out in the Smoky Mountains. We've heard that he hangs out in the Rocky Mountains. We've heard that he hangs out in Upper Michigan, amongst other places. You know, Bigfoot is just hanging out. But we found out where he's really hanging out here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Bigfoot is literally over here just hanging out, sitting here on the side of the road. So I figured we'd come over here and show you Mr. Bigfoot himself relaxing before we head on over to Keystone, or before we head over to Mount Rushmore. So we'll get out, take a photo, and go from there. This is awesome. Look at Mr. Bigfoot. That is so cool. That must be like a dwarf, something, dwarf Bigfoot. Because Mr. Bigfoot is over here, just hanging out in Keystone, South Dakota. Mr. Bigfoot hanging out here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. That is so awesome. This is really cool. Look, he even got a tattoo on his foot. That is so cool. Oh, this is so awesome. I wonder what one of these costs. Oh, it's so heavy. Can't pick it up with one hand. World's largest Bigfoot. Yes, that is. So, that's the world's largest Bigfoot here hanging out in the Black Hills of South Dakota. They also have some bears over here too, hanging up in the tree. That is awesome. Well, we'll see you later, Mr. Bigfoot. You have a great day. I like how they really put the work behind this. So they've got a couple other statues down here that I wanted to take a look at before we get out of here. This is really cool. All of the artwork right here that he's actually currently working on. Man, the hours that go into this is just insane. Carvers of the Hills. That's what it's called. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Oh, that is really cool.
Hi, folks.
So check this out. This is really cool here. And that's the bike. So I'm gonna go over there and sit on it. Is it recording? Yes, it is. That is awesome. Very cool. It's just so awesome. Got a couple more statues here before we head on out. This is really cool. That is really awesome. And that's here at Dahl's Chainsaw Art, Rushmore Bears and Eagles. So with that, guys, yeah, this is so cool. Let's get to Mount Rushmore.